We are discussing the problem on the mathematical induction again. So here I am taking an example. For the every positive integer n greater than or equal to 24 can be written as a sum of 5s and 7. Sum of the 5s and 7 means for the numbers which are greater than 24 can be expressed as a sum of 5 and 7. Here I am taking, first we have to take the given statement as a s of n. So here the n can be written as the sum of 5 and 7 is our given statement. So here the restriction for the n is greater than or equal to 24. So we have to start with the n equal to 24 for the basis step. So consider the 24 here. Here the 24 can be written as 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 10 is 24. So 24 can be expressed as a sum of 2 terms of the 7 and 2 terms of the 5. Therefore the s of n is true for n equal to 24. So next is induction step. Here we are assuming that the statement is true for n equal to k. So for the n equal to k, again the restriction for the k is greater than or equal to 24. So k equal to sum of the 7 plus sum of the 5. So k can be expressed as the sum of the 7s and sum of the 5s. But there is no restriction to the endpoint, so that we are making an r number of 7s, s numbers of 5. Here the 24 can be expressed as sum of the 2 terms of 7 and 2 terms of the 5. Same as it is, we make a restriction to the 7 in the k term, that is number of the terms of 7 is r, number of the terms of the 5 is s. So we rewrite it as a k equal to 7 plus 7 plus so on r terms, 5 plus 5 plus so on s terms. So now here number of terms of the 7 and number of terms of the 5 is greater than or equal to 2, because we know that here 24 is expressed as a sum of 2 terms of the 7, 2 terms of the 5. So it is a minimum value. So that's why we taken here r is greater than or equal to 2, s is greater than or equal to 2. Now adding a 1 on both side of LHS and RHS. Now k plus 1, 7 plus 7 plus so on r terms, plus 5 plus 5 plus so on s terms, plus 1. Now see here, in the r terms of the 7, I am taking the 2 terms of the 7 outside. If I take the 2 terms of the outside of the r terms, remaining are r minus 2 terms. So the 2 terms we have taken outside, those will be taken here, and we added those terms to the 1. Then it becomes 7 plus 7 plus 1 is 15, and 5 plus 5 plus so on s term will be as it is. This 15 can be written as 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 3 terms of these 5 will be added to here. Here already s terms of 5 will be there, plus these 3 terms will be added. Then it becomes s plus 3 terms. Then it is 7 plus 7 plus so on r minus 2 terms, plus 5 plus 5 plus so on already s term. Again 3 terms of the 5 will be added, then it becomes s plus 3 terms. So that k plus 1 is also expressed as the sum of the 7 and 5s. Therefore the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore we declare that the given statement is true for all n is greater than or equal to 24.